Hi, and welcome to Lesson 2. Today, we're going to be looking at a certain aspect of identity that you'll be reading about in Chapter 3. So, hi, how are you? Tell me a little bit about yourself. That's a complicated question for a first conversation, is it not? And when you answer that question, you are answering with part of your identity, and that's called self-concept. Your self-concept is how you would describe yourself. And when answering the question, tell me about yourself, what you're being asked to do is to describe parts of your self-concept. But first, we have to understand who we are and how we would describe ourselves. In Chapter 3, Section 1 in your book, it talks about Johari's window. Johari's window looks like a window pane and has 4 squares, and each square is labeled based on part of who you are. The open area is what you know and what others know about you. The blind area is what others know about you, but you do not know about yourself. The hidden area are things that you know about yourself that you don't want other people to know. And the unknown area is what you don't know about yourself, nor does anyone else know about you. We're going to explore more about your self-concept in the self-concept inventory and analysis assignment that you'll be doing this week. Now here's a question to consider. Is each part of your window the same size? Are these 4 squares like 4 identical squares? Or are there sections that are larger? For some, maybe the open section is large. For others, maybe the hidden section is large. So my question to consider today is, how could the practice of mindfulness impact your windows? How can you be mindful about who you are to influence your self-concept and how you would describe yourself? So have a good time with Lesson 2. It's very enlightening when we talk about self-concept and how we know who we are. So as always, if you ever have questions, send me a message on Blackboard. We'll see you soon.